Hi, my name is Mrs. Emmanuel Udechukwu, the Executive Director of Roxbury Leisure Homes. A home is not just an accommodation. A home is a safe haven, a comfort zone, a place for families to live and have fun with friends. A place for memories to be created as well as a way of creating future wealth. Here at Roxbury, we don't just build houses, but we give you the best modern structures. Premium luxury, top-class security, 24 hours electrical supply, swimming pool, the gym, and we also have an open venue for an event or any class of parties. Even your kids are not left out, we have a lovely garden and a playground for them to have fun. The best investment on earth is earth. When you invest in Roxbury, you invest in luxury living. Choose Roxbury, choose luxury.